Hey, automotive enthusiasts and fellow professionals. Ever been halted by stubborn squeaks or bothered by dust accumulated from lubricants applied? Let's put an end to those problems. Introducing LIQUI MOLY's PTFE powder spray, an answer to many of our automotive prayers. This isn't just any lubricant. It's based on PTFE and offers a dry lubrication system that is free from attracting dust. This means that you do not only get a smoother operation, but looks and feels much cleaner. And that annoying squeak? Say goodbye. It is not just about movement, it is about silent, efficient movement. Applying it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Clean the surface, spray in thin layers, and let it dry. With its folding spray pipe, you are assured precision. Whether it is an overhead spray or flat one, it has got you covered. Wondering about the perks? Here they are. Massive chemical resistance for those tough jobs. Zero oil, grease, or silicone. Simplicity at its best. Say goodbye to friction. Any surface, any angle. Perfect for any nook and cranny of your automobile. From slide rails, belts, and hinges, even noise removals from all materials. Especially in situations where oil and silicone can be a real menace. Dig deep into details. We have got something for you. Head over to the LIQUI MOLY Advantage app for an even more comprehensive look. Apply effortlessly. Experience perfection. The magic of this LIQUI MOLY PTFE spray.